Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you some amazing tips on how to learn English from home. If you are ready to take your English skill to the next level without ever leaving your house, then this video is for you. And stick around because I have some secrets that will make learning English not just easy but fun too. Now, I know some people think learning English from home isn't possible. They believe you need to travel, you or live in a English country. But guess what? You can absolutely learn English from home. And I'm going to show you how. I will show you how to surround yourself with English every day. Even if you don't live in an English country, imagine improving your English while doing your daily routine. Sounds cool, right? Whether you want to get a promotion, travel, or study abroad, having clear goals will keep you motivated. If you want to learn English from home, you just have to follow these 5 simple and easy but powerful steps that will make you learn English from home. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so number 1, surround yourself with English. English can be fun and easy, and if you surrounded yourself with the language every day, you don't need to live in an English speaking country to do this. When you need to buy things from the stores, write your shopping list in English. This will help you to learn English name in different items in English. For example, you can write milk, onions, tomatoes, cucumber, okay, carrots. Find an English newspaper or an online website. Try to read some articles every day. Even if you don't understand everything, you will learn new words and get used to how sentences are written. Okay, so tune into English radio station or find the English podcast, listen to it while you are doing other thing like cooking or exercising or dancing. This will help you get used to the sound of English and improve your English speaking skill. Keep a diary and write some few sentences every day. Write about what you did, how you feel, or what you are going to do. Okay, so this will help you to practice writing and expressing your thoughts in English. Number 2, set yourself realistic goals. Imagine this, you are embarking on a journey or to learn English. It's exciting, but it can also be a bit overwhelming. To stay motivated or on track, it's crucial to set a realistic goal. First, ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Having a clear reason will give you a sense of purpose. Maybe you want to get a promotion at work. Being able to speak English could open new career opportunity for you. Or perhaps you want to communicate better with your foreign colleagues. This can make your work environment more pleasant. You might dream or studying abroad. Okay, amazing, attending in a university in a English speaking country, experiencing new culture and making new friends around the world. Or maybe you simply want to spend your next holiday in an English speaking country. Short term goals should be specific and achievable. Okay, instead of saying I want to improve my English, say I want to learn 10 new English sentences or words every day. This gives you a clear target. Listening to real English is one of the best ways to improve your English skill. It might seem difficult at first, but with practice, you would get better and understand more. When you listen to English more, you can spoke more. You can speak more. Okay, it might be understand everything at first, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep listening. Over time, your ear will get used to speed and rhythm of the language. Try to listen to different types of English. You can listen to conversations, news reports, podcast, or even movies. Okay? Now, this will help you to hear different accents and style of speaking. Don't worry if you don't understand every single words or sentences. Just focus on the overall meaning. Okay? Sometimes it's helpful to read along while you listen, but it's also important to practice listening without seeing the text. Okay? Now, for this, what you need to do, read whatever you listen. Repetition is very important. Without repetition, you can't learn some sentences in your mind. Okay, so repetition is very important, but read whatever you listen. I mean to say, more reading is not important. It is read simple but 10 times. Okay, this way you rely only on your ears. Okay, it's a good way to improve your English. You can start by listening to something simple like a short podcast or a news clip. Try to understand as much as you can, then listen to it again. Each time you listen, you might catch something new. If you find it very hard, try to listen to the same clip several times. Repetition helps. I said you earlier. Listening to something more than once is a great way to learn. Each time you listen, you can focus on different things. First time, you might just try to get the general idea. Second time, you might focus on specific words or phrases. By the third time, you might start to notice interesting or unusual vocabulary. Number 4, find fun ways to learn new words. Learning new words in English can be exciting and enjoyable. If you find some methods, then use some method. Okay? Do you like singing? So if yes, then this is a great way to learn new vocabulary. Look up the lyrics of the favorite English song and sing along. Music makes it easier to learn some words in English. Remember some words in English. Okay? So sounds will give you, memory. For example, if you love a particular song, find the lyrics online and read them along. Okay, you can understand some vocabulary. Try to understand the meaning of the lyrics and pay attention. Okay, this will help you remember the words and improve your pronunciation. Okay, so if you remember things better when you see them, you post it notes. Write new words on these small sticky notes and place them around your skill. Stick them on the fridge and mirror or computer or any place you looked at often. Seeing the words regularly will help you remember them. For example, if you are learning words like refrigerator, write it on a post-it note and stick it on the refrigerator. Each time when you open the refrigerator, this will in front of your eyes and it will stick in your memory. Making funny or silly sentences of new words can help you remember the words. Okay, like humor makes learning more enjoyable and memorable. When you create a sentences that makes you laugh, it's easier to recall the word later. For example, if you are learning the word giraffe, okay, you might write some sentences like the giraffe wore a hat and danced in a party. This silly image of a giraffe dancing in a hat and will make the word stick in your mind. If you like drawing, use this talent to help you learn new words. Draw a small picture next to the words to represent their meaning. Okay? Visual images can make words more memorable, especially if you are a visual learner. For example, if you are learning the word apple, draw a small picture of an apple next to the word. Every time you see the drawing, it will remind you of the word and its meaning. Okay, so yes, learning words, it's very important. You need to focus how to learn some new words, how to remember some new words. Use some tips tricks methods. All the tips tricks methods will help you. Okay, challenge yourself and track your progress. This way, learning feels like play and you will stay motivated. Number 5, learn about the culture. Learning English is not just about understanding grammar and vocabulary. It's also about getting to know and some people culture and English culture, okay, heritage. This makes learning the language more interesting and meaningful. Every language reflects the way speakers think and see the words. While learning about the culture, you will understand why people say things in a certain way and how they express their thoughts and feelings. This will help you to communicate more effectively and naturally. For example, in English speaking countries, people often value of politeness and indirect communication. You might notice that people use phrases like could you please, would you mind. So these are some phrases. Instead of giving some direct commands, so use these phrases. Understanding these cultures nuance will help you see the language more appropriately. Each English speaking country has its own unique traditions and holidays. Learning about these can be fun and educational. You can watch videos, read articles, or join online forums to learn about people celebrate their culture. Okay, so for example, in the United States, Thanksgiving is a major holidays where people gathered with family, with friends to share a meal and give thanks. Learning about this tradition can give you insight into American values and customs. You might even try cooking a traditional Thanksgiving dish to experience them. Okay, so I have shared with you 5 tips how to learn English alone at home. All the 5 tips are going to help you, believe me, because these tips helped me a lot, and if it helped me, then these will also help you, believe me. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you liked my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video. Okay, so please share and subscribe this channel. Jai Shri Ram.